Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And as you can see here, it's package day again. But this is a pretty special package here. There's some pretty cool locks in here. Some more stuff that I, again, never thought I would have in my collection. I end up saying that a lot lately, but yeah. I was kind of looking for a challenge, and I had a little bit of money to spend. Well, a little bit. This is actually the most expensive package I've ever bought, but anyway, yes, I reached out to one of my buddies. I'm actually not going to name any names because I don't know if he I never asked permission if I could use his name or whatever, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. But some pretty cool stuff in here. Just itching to get this open. Was a little bit worried. It was supposed to be here in 8 days, but I should have known better since the whole COVID thing. Canada Post is telling people to expect delays, and actually they're not even letting people open tickets unless your delivery has been 21 days late. So, but yeah, I should have known better. There was no problems with it. Took a little bit longer, but honestly, for where it was coming from, not long at all. I have stuff that takes longer to come from the other end of Canada to where I am. So, yeah, I'm wondering how to do this. If I should just take this off frame. I think I will, because it's such a big box, and we'll just go through. Excuse me. We'll go through one by one. First of all, really good packaging. I really didn't have to worry anything about that. And, there's extra stuff in here, I think. Yeah, there is extra stuff in here, I think. I only bought 3 locks, but 3 very special locks. But I think there's 4 locks in here. Ooh. Wow, hang on guys. I think it's just the bubble wrap, but I was going to say I think it's time to sharpen my knife. I think it could use a sharpen anyway. Oh, no way. This was one of the locks I was going to buy, but I didn't have enough money for, and I think he threw it in anyway. Wow. Wicked. At 3:30. Where's my little? Whatever. I'll look for that after. I have a really small alloy. So that's the smallest lock in the package. This will be the second smallest lock in the package. Wow, this is way bigger than it looks in pictures. Oh wow, it is one of the ones with the crazy ass drill protection. Look at that. That's unbelievable drill protection, and it's steel anyway. That's lightly magnetic. These are highly. Maybe it's. I'm not sure what this body's made out of, but I think we're just attracting to stuff, these inserts through the. Definitely cast, I believe. I'm not sure what that's cast out of. Oh, and that's the second smallest lock in here. So wait until you see what I have next here. Okay, we have keys. That's great. I'll take these keys out. Actually, I'll leave that to last. But I'll cut it now. Man, I'm so excited. I was building up some anticipation for this package, I'll tell you what. Okay, I think we have a medical key here. Yeah, look at that. What a friggin' beast. Yeah, that's nice and loose too. Awesome. Wow, these are way bigger in person. Pictures don't do justice to locks. I should know by now, but I don't know, you really have an idea in your head of how big something is. Now next, two locks left, and I don't know which to open. They're whatever, I'll just pick this one. I'll pick it's probably the biggest lock in the lot, but not the most expensive. Wow. And again, pictures don't do justice. Oh my oh my freaking god. Oh, I don't know if you guys can make that out or not. Damn, that's too bad. I was even thinking maybe I'm definitely gonna get some rust. What's it called? Evapor rust or some sort of rust, anti-rust or rust-eating solution or whatever, and see what that does on here. But I almost would like to get this replated. It's such a freaking beauty. Not sure if you guys can make that out. Yeah, that's the 4-5. What a friggin' beast. Oh, I've never been so excited. Wow, just a tiny bit bigger than my my other biggest padlock in my collection. Again, Paul. This is my baby. It's quite special, but look at this friggin' heavyweight. Oh my god. Wow. Leave it up to me to open 3 locks and make a long ass video out of it, but really, oh shit, sorry guys, really curious here. Yeah, almost 14 millimeter. Yeah, what's the ABIS again? Oh wow, interesting. Bigger lock, but the shackle is just a little bit smaller. Okay, and last, certainly not least, the probably most expensive lock in the lot. Oh, I'm almost shaking here. So glad this made it in one piece. Like I said, this is the most expensive purchase that I've ever made, and yeah, probably the worst time to order something like this with the COVID going on and the huge delays with everything. So really happy that everything worked out. Kind of find it funny my cat's not coming to pay us a visit for all this bubble wrap. Hey Charlie? Oh my gosh. Again, I've never held one of these. Never ever thought I would hold one of these. 831s, right? 831B. So Chris, now Charlie has a S&G pillow too. Little brother to the what do you have? 833, I believe. I don't think it's a 951. I'm not sure. That's something I'd like to know a lot more of. I know the 826 and this one 831 and 833 and 951, but what did the letters mean? The B, the C. I think there's I forget. There's like there's one on eBay, one of these, but it's 831 and has two letters, BG maybe, and it's on there for a lot of money actually. But yeah, there you go. We got keys here. Oh, right on. I was wondering if someone had. It has two operating keys, but someone has modified one of them to be a control key, so that's great. I don't have to do that. And the key for the ASA. Wow. Holy crap. So yeah, I was looking for a challenge, and I think I got one in all of these locks for sure. I think honestly my best chance of anyone is going to be the ASA. Biggest lock, but I'll probably also the most likely to get picked first. And I don't think there's a key for the 330. That's okay. I didn't even pay for it. I didn't even expect it was coming in, unless it's around here. But again, no big deal if it's not. I'll check through this stuff just to make sure though, and I'll check with my buddy the sender. Yeah, like I said, leave it to me to open 3 locks and make a 10+ minute video out of it, but I'm so excited I had to share this with you guys. So yeah, we have definitely have this to look forward to. Will be the most likely one that I'll pick next. But yeah, I definitely have some stuff to work on here, which is awesome. Like I said, locks are one of the few things that that's getting me through this COVID crap. Having a hobby and having something to do, I'm really happy to have this hobby in this time. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you off with that. It's actually lunchtime, time to get something to eat. And I know what I'm doing for dessert. Alright guys, take care, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks everyone.